In rare show of unity, India Bloc leaders strike upbeat tone at Kharges dinner. The mood was upbeat and celebratory at a dinner hosted by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge in New Delhi on Monday, as the India Bloc gathered in a rare show of unity. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, thanked all leaders for attending and said the fight against the BJP and the Election Commission (EC) was far from over. He stressed the need for the bloc to stay united and keep raising its voice. There was broad agreement that the EC must be held accountable. Many leaders demanded that a press conference be held soon, and rejected the idea of only a few members going to meet the commission. The bloc has called for an FIR to be filed against the Chief Election Commissioner (CEC), the SIR systematic integrity review process to be stopped, and for the BJP to apologize. They also demanded that the EC release all digital election data at Kharges, along with several other leaders, condemned the government for using the opposition's protest as an opportunity to rush through key bills in parliament. Some also expressed concern that the government might end the session early to avoid further opposition pressure. It was made clear at the dinner that Gandhi will not be signing any affidavit or oath demanded by the EC, and he has the full support of the India Bloc in this stance. Leaders agreed to maintain pressure on both the government and the EC even after the monsoon session ends. Gandhi is set to lead a march in Bihar later this week, which will conclude with a joint rally of the India Bloc in Patna. However, while the bloc appears united, it is also driven by individual interests. TMC Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has already gone on the offensive against the EC and BJP, fearing that the SIR exercise could impact the 2026 Bengal elections. The DMK also expressed concerns that revisions to the voter list could impact the 2026 Tamil Nadu elections. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav echoed these fears for Uttar Pradesh. Swipe left for next video. The challenge now is not just taking on the EC but ensuring the bloc stays united. Differences may resurface, especially as some members will face each other in upcoming state elections such as the Congress and TMC in Bengal, and the Congress and Left in Kerala. Still, the focus remains on maintaining unity. Former Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Kharge both stressed this at the dinner, which ended with not just shared meals, but serious reflection on the road ahead.